Enterprise mentoring is really a process where we're talking about making the entirety of the organization's knowledge resources available to one another. So no longer is it limited in the traditional view of just being one-to-one, just being focused on senior down to junior. It's really about making the breadth and depth of the knowledge of the organization available to the entirety of the organization. We view it as everyone has something to teach and everyone has something to learn. And that traditional view, as I mentioned a moment ago, is really insufficient. It's really about taking all the knowledge resources within an organization and making them available to everybody else. We advocate for that because in today's learning environment, we need to ensure that people can have access to whichever knowledge resource is the right one to help with their learning need in the moment. In addition to the traditional impacts that people are getting from mentoring or have traditionally gotten from mentoring, such as increased employee retention, increased productivity, enhanced employee engagement, we're seeing that with open mentoring, organizations are also getting a better understanding of their competency development amongst the people participating. So not only can we understand what we call speed to competency, which is really an emerging measure in talent management and learning and development, but we can also analyze competency gaps, and therefore the organization can come in and intervene by creating engagements and encouraging people to participate based upon where they see large gaps between what people want to learn and those who are able to offer that advice within the organization. Open mentoring also provides other values to the organization, such as interoperability, the ability to transfer data back and forth with other systems like talent management systems and have a better understanding of the overall talent profile within the organization, as well as the ability to go global through internationalization and language support. Open mentoring is now available in 7 main business languages, allowing our global clients to truly take this out to the entirety of their enterprise. Open mentoring is different from collaborative and social business software in a couple key ways. The first thing to look at is that with open mentoring, you're really blending social technologies with learning protocols. And that's one of the key differences, is that we take a look at the way that people learn, the way they like to learn, the way historically they have learned and what's been effective, and we blend that with the social technologies. So for example, every engagement within open mentoring has a tie to organizational competencies and also has a set of specific learning goals and objectives. This helps to ensure that there's an intentional learning focus to all engagements. On top of that, organizations are also able to understand business impact when they're able to look at things like speed to competency and the success of the development of people and not just who's connected with whom.